So we've just got off at the MTR at Chungking, and we're now going over to the cable car.
We booked in advance for a crystal cabin using Get Your Guide. The cost was 690 Hong Kong dollars.
Scanning the QR code didn't work, so we're now at the ticket room.
So guys, here we are. We're in the, we've paid a premium to get in a crystal cable car which has got a glass bottom, and we're going up to have a look at the Buddha on Lantau Island, and it's a beautiful day. I'm hoping for a fun ride.
Look at that, that's just...
The cable car is 5.7 kilometres long and was built in 2006. The ride takes around 25 minutes and, as you can see, provides breathtaking views of Big Buddha and Lantau Island.
We found a footpath, haven't we? So you can obviously...
Well, we can see a footpath.
We can see a footpath down here, yeah. Somewhere down there. Wow.
There it is.
It even looks big from here.
It's like the tourist village, there's loads of shops just to...
We've now come into the village.
At the end of the ride is Nong Ping village, which contains a variety of tourist shops and eateries. We had arrived early and so managed to avoid any crowds. A wide avenue leads to the Big Buddha and the Po Lin Monastery. Big Buddha, or Tian Tan Buddha, was completed in 1993. This 34-metre bronze statue is one of the largest seated Buddha statues in the world. To reach its base, you must first climb the 268 steps. The Buddha's peaceful gaze signifies enlightenment and compassion, attracting visitors from around the globe, and is a must-see attraction. Here we are, we're at the top of the staircase leading to Big Buddha, which you can see in our background. Julie says he's saying hi, but I think he's actually prayers.
Oh, blessing us.
Blessing us in
okay.
peace.
Okay, fair enough, yes.
Monastery over there. It's a very lovely day today. It's about 28 degrees.
But a nice breeze.
And a bit of a breeze, yeah.
Po Lin Monastery was established in 1906. This tranquil sanctuary features traditional Buddhist architecture, lush gardens and stunning halls adorned with golden statues. Visitors can explore the Grand Hall of 10,000 Buddhas, a masterpiece of artistry and devotion.
I don't know if you can see behind me, but it's like hotels in that place. Chungking Mansions. That's crazy.
Chungking Mansions was built in 1961, a 17-storey complex housing over 4,000 people from 120 nationalities. Originally intended as residential apartments, it now hosts a mix of budget guest houses, a vast array of restaurants, tailors, currency exchange shops and small business. Julie says is totally bonkers, but is a definite must-see.
For lunch at the yacht club, and I've had half a lager and a glass of Sauvignon.
Glass of what? Can you actually
Sauvignon.
Can you actually speak?
So I feel tiddly. Oh.
So today we are doing a trip down memory lane. We're going to show Julie where I lived back in the deep dark ages of 1980, and then we're going to go down to Repulse Bay, which is where I spent quite a lot of my childhood, and ultimately then on to Stanley. So keep watching.
Unicorn Gardens, where I lived over 40 years ago. Although tired now, many fond memories.
So we're going down to Repulse Bay, are we not?
Yeah, stomping ground, the local beach.
Repulse Bay is a smaller, quieter alternative to the more popular Repulse Bay beach.
On the day of our visit was a public holiday, and you can see a huge number of people enjoying the public barbecue areas. The smells were just amazing.
Catch that ferry. Well, we hope we are. We're on the ferry now, we did catch it. Going over to Middle Island. Coming up to the yacht club now.
Again, I'm so grateful to be able to take advantage of temporary guest membership. The memories of such happy times came flooding back.
Now we're walking round to Repulse Bay.
Yeah.
That's where we were. Just over there. This with a hole, the apartment block with a hole in it, we think is feng shui. It's obviously a thing, isn't it?
It's hilarious, isn't it?
Now we're on a bus going to Stanley. So the bus that arrived in this plaza, and now we're going down into Stanley, the Lovers Terrace.
Smugglers Inn, another blast from the past.
Wow. Penny Mill and Claire Elliott. He's brought me here. Stanley Market. And this is Stanley Beach. Very nice. Lovely.
So, Shousan Hill, done. Deepwater Bay, done. Middle Island,
Done.
Repulse Bay,
Done.
Stanley,
Done.
Smugglers Inn.
Done.
Now we're on the way back to Central, and hopefully we'll have a bit of time for a snooze before we go to night market this evening. We normally choose group tours, but for our street food and market tour we used a gift voucher from friends for a more personal experience with a company called With Locals. So this is the first stop.
What is this for?
No idea.
No idea, but it might be spicy.
Yes, it's going to be spicy. Squid balls.
Intestine?
Oh, no intestine for me.
No, I get it.
What's that like? Is it hot?
Okay. Why don't you eat this and then when
Nice.
Barbecue pork marinated with honey. And this water.
let's invite him.
Is tea infused hard boiled egg, yeah?
Very strong roasted tea.
Right.
Perfect.
That's really nice.
Matteo, our guide, was an expat from Italy and I have to say was great fun.
Snake restaurant. I am wandering through the streets of Hong Kong with a can of lager in my hand. What do you think?
Good.
There we are at the Peak Tram, last day in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Right up to
Airport
the
later.
peak. Yeah. So the first tram on a Sunday is at 8 o'clock.
So we booked in advance for our peak tram visit, and the morning special combo ticket, which included the visit to the Sky Terrace, was 118 Hong Kong dollars each.
Quite steep.
Very steep.
Oh,
The
peak tram is a must-do. It is operated since 1888, making it one of the oldest in the world. Originally steam-powered, it now uses modern electric systems. The tram was upgraded in 2022 with new, larger carriages to improve the experience. Its steep ascent at a gradient of up to 27 degrees and takes around 10 minutes.
Well, things are not quite open yet. Here we go. Well, we're off the train, but we are still going up. I think we're near the top now. I think this is the last escalator to the Sky Terrace. We are here on the Sky Terrace. Wow. That's definitely worth the trip. Look at that.
At the top, with Hong Kong behind us, beautiful morning. So, our last day in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
We've had a fantastic, well, 3.5 days basically,
Yeah,
haven't
absolutely
we?
amazing, yeah.
So what stood out for you relative to...
Well, it sounds a bit odd this, but the escalators, I've never seen so many escalators, and we must have done 25,000 steps every day, but just the hustle and bustle of those escalators. I'll never see them again, I'm sure.
No, and I think what stands out for me, I've not been... I came here last in 2017, but before then it was... 1980, and so huge amount has changed, but actually it still feels, for me, because I spent so much time here, it still feels like coming home. So yeah, no, I've really enjoyed being here and sharing it, sharing my past with you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Really hope you've enjoyed this second part of our trip to Hong Kong. If you did, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but helps us immensely. If you have enjoyed this video, then do click on one of the images above to see our 3-week adventures in Vietnam. See you next time.